another vlog. I am unboxing my little snack boxes because let me tell y'all, I went on Amazon, so I basically ordered 5 initially, right? And it was $36. And then I went back on Amazon and saw that they had 10 for $37. With a $2 off coupon, so the 10 basically came out cheaper than what I paid for the 5. But I went back to the website, ordered the 10, and now it just came in. And what I'm about to do is put 5 of them back in that other pack and send them back. Cause no man, you tried it. That's just not me though. Just not me. I don't know why. No, that's a waste of money. If I want to spend $35 on these, then I'll just buy another 10. So before I even open these, 5 of them are gonna go in here. And that's just what's finna happen. Because I really are. When I saw that price, I was like, that is so disrespectful. That was so disrespectful. So yeah, y'all can get your 5 back. You can get this 5 for $35 right on my back, baby. So now I got 10, baby. I'm obsessed with these. They so cute. Like, how cute is that? It's just cute. I feel like I need to wash my hair today, but I have no idea what I want to do to my hair, like, at all. Don't have any idea. Running out of ideas. I feel like I need to do a protective style or straighten it now, because I need something that's gonna last for a week or so, and I ain't gotta do too much. Wearing your natural hair is just, you know, like, sometimes it just takes too much to keep it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash all of these out, and then we're gonna go ahead and make some snack boxes. I don't know how to like keep my fingers like this when I'm cutting, like, especially when I have on nails. Like, I don't see how y'all do that. That's just not comfortable for me. I don't know. This is how I normally cut, but my nails be in the way. So fine. Okay. At this moment in time, I have no idea what I'm putting in the snack boxes, but I just know I want to put some vegetables, something healthy. I want to grab a healthy snack instead of grabbing like ice cream, because that's what I've been grabbing. So that's the reason we're even making these snack boxes right now. I just need to be able to grab something healthy, y'all. A healthier choice. So I'm just cutting these up because I'm like, I think I want to put cream cheese in these. Should we keep them whole and just stuff it with cream cheese? That's what I'm gonna do. Last time I cut them in half and then just put cream cheese on the top. You could do that, but I think I'll just put like 1 little bell pepper. Like, I think that's enough to have a nice little cheesy snack. Cause there'll be a lot of cheese, a lot of cream cheese anyway.
Found myself inside all this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation. Wonder if we maybe were mistaken. Don't wanna talk, don't wanna see, don't wanna feel it. What is left? I've been thinking about us and the things you said. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed. Oh,
so dark in here. Like it gets so dark, even though there's like light in front of me because my Christmas tree and stuff. It's so dark. Y'all, I'm about to eat this now. That's the thing about these snack boxes. I be ready to snack immediately. But I have already tasted this cucumber salad. It is really good. I never really put it with the red peppers. The red peppers bust. Well, not red peppers, they're sweet peppers. This is so refreshing. This one just got the turkey and the cheese and stuff. I figured I'd eat the deviled egg one for breakfast. Even though I wanted to eat that tonight. I was like, ooh, that BLT about to be too good. I love when I get back to eating healthy. It just feels good. And plus my gut been going through it, so y'all, gut health is so important to me now. It should have always been, but it hasn't. But I'm gonna just sit down here and watch a little bit of TV. Come on, remote. Gotta watch some TV, and then I guess go upstairs. I'm thinking about washing my hair because look how it's looking. I just feel like it's time we wash it again. It's probably been like a week, probably like 4 days, 4 or 5 days, I don't know. But I think it's time to go ahead and wash. But I kind of want, I guess I want to straighten it. I wasn't gonna straighten it, but now I'm just like, I want to practice. When people like come to Atlanta from out of town, they aggravate me. I be feeling like I don't know. Maybe I just be like, I don't want to hang out when you come in town. I don't want to hang out. Cause you ain't hit me up before you got here. Why you hit me up now? Why you ain't hit me up before you knew you was coming? This is an afterthought. It's an afterthought. Go back to your states, sir man. Sometimes I wish I was stupid. But I use my knocking too much. But it comes to me immediately. It's just like, I want to see you before I leave. Nigga, I didn't know you come. You need to prepare me. Why didn't you give me preparation? You know, I don't like that. You know, you're not valuing my time. I'm reclaiming my time. Yes, I am. Let me tell y'all about this book right here, because I feel like I need to break it down for y'all. You know when people get money? Let me tell y'all how these men do when they get real money. Like, we're talking about men with real money. They get a little funny. They never really get with a woman. Like, they stay single. Girl, they stay single. Like, most of the guys that I've dated who are, like, really wealthy, they're still single. We all know why they still single. Like, it's just something in their mind is like, they better than, I don't know. I mean, especially for black men, I just feel like they just get their big head. Like, they already know they're black, so, like, they're very athletic, they're very built, you know, like darker, handsome, all the things. But like on top of that, you beat the odds and you actually have success. They always get on my nerves, but they always hit me up when they're in town. I'm not the type to be doing that. Listen, we don't be doing those things that y'all be thinking. I don't do those things. It's been a minute. It's been a year? No, probably like, I don't know. It's been a minute. So, like, I don't be doing, And it'd be like once every year at this point. I ain't even mad, honestly. I don't even care. I be wanting people to have real conversations. I'm not like deep, but I like for people to be very honest. Like, I like deep conversations, like conversations that will allow us to get to know each other on a deeper level. I like my friendships like that, and I also like my relationships like that. So like any friendship. And I think that's what guys get confused about me, because I put that expectation on them and they assume that that expectation is I want to be with them. And it's like, sir, that's my expectation for you to be my friend. What's not clicking, Steven? Like, that's the expectation for that. And we gotta be friends before we can be that. But you don't even wanna be a good friend to me. And that's what throw me off about dating. Cause like, you supposed to just be trying to be my friend right now. Not like we friend zoning each other, but like, you should be trying to get to know who I am, and I supposed to be getting to know who you are and making a decision if we want to be friends. And you know, go from there. But I don't know. I don't be getting these people. And then the next time they hit me up, I be ready to ignore them, because that's just how I am. I'm just like, you don't talk about nothing worth talking about, so. And plus, your mind is still at a little boy stage of just like right here, and it just like annoys me. Because these men are like 35 to 30 to 40, like 35 to 40. Like, that's my range of like what I like to date at 33. We looking, no, at 35 to 40. Yeah, like 35 to 40, I feel like that's a good range for me. Like, I need you to be older, more mature, got a little bit more put together. That's what I want. Random fact, my dad was 10 years older than my mom. I know, so weird. I used to be like, wait, so when you was 10, my mom wasn't even born. Like, she was a baby. That's I used to say all stuff like that, but they met when they were 50s and 60s. Like, don't nobody give a fuck. Oh, maybe 40. She was probably, I think my mom was like either her late 30s. But anyway, I need to go and take off this makeup and get ready for bed. It is 11:34, and I'm ready to go ahead and call it a night, because I have not been getting sleep like I should be getting, because I just been staying up late to finish these vlogs off and send them to y'all, because I be starting the vlogs late too. I don't think I'm gonna wash my hair until tomorrow. It's just too late. I'm not. Girl, Scotty looking at me like, Mom, come on, hurry up. She's like, hurry up, come to bed. Hurry up. Listen, lady. I see you biting yourself. No biting. Y'all. So Sky, I think she's a dog that needs a playmate, like a play dog mate. If y'all saw me grooming her yesterday, if you watched my Vlogmas yesterday, y'all saw like she got a patch on her side, and she always just be biting her hair off. And I really think it's just because she is bored. Like, I just think she's bored. And I looked up some stuff, and they say that's what they do when they bored. So I was like, oh, that pretty much matches up, because I do work a lot. So when I'm editing, she can't be on me like that. Like, I have to focus. I like to kind of dot my track on like my darkest areas first, because you know what they say, they be like, wherever you put it, that's where it's gonna be heavily concentrated. So I'll be like, okay. They say don't put it on your nose though, because it'll start peeling like right here and in your brows. That's not a good thing. You just kind of want to go around those areas. You know, even though I'm actually going on my nose right now, like, I just haven't been on my nose in like a minute. So I'll, like, every once in a while, I will go over my nose, just because the nose is gonna need some love too at some point. But I try not to do it all the time. Something about the nose skin is just so sensitive. So you wanna let the tret sit. I need to get some more of this. I never realized how much lip stuff that had peptides in it really helped my lips. Like, I just be feeling like this really does something. They have little beads in it, and then once you like rub it in, they go away. But this is perfect for like a nighttime topper. I'll either use this one or my Aquaphor, which I keep and every other desk. Like every desk has an Aquaphor. And then if it's in the daytime, I'll go ahead and put my Super Goop. This is actually an SPF. If you ain't got into the SPF, the lip SPFs, this is a good one and it smells so good. But let this dry, and then I think I'm gonna go in with, well, I have this little sample of this Tatcha. That sample a little skimpy, girl. Ooh, I guess we're just gonna do Trusty Dusty Kills.
We could put together an online petition to help preserve the milk. That's a great idea.
You'll never guess who's been staying with us these last few weeks. Feel in my heart. You've already given it to us.
All right, you guys, I am pretty much done for the day. I'm sitting at my desk. I have this heater by my desk. It feels so good. It is just kind of cold. I mean, I know it's winter, but geez Louise, it's always so cold at night, but then during the day I'm so hot in this house, and it's only on 75, so like at nighttime it gets so cold, and I'm like, you know, I'm like, dang. But I don't know what's like that good temp to just keep it at. Like, where do y'all keep y'all thermostat in the wintertime? Because 75 is like just too cold at night. That's not, I ain't warm enough. Maybe I just need to get in the covers. Anyway, tomorrow and I think the last day of Vlogmas is going to be on 24th. So I think we have 3 more days because I'm not going to do actual Christmas. So yeah, it's winding down. We're almost at Christmas. And I hope you guys have done most of your shopping. I pretty much got to go shopping tomorrow to get, I already have most of my stuff, but like I got to go tomorrow. But yeah. I hope you guys are getting everything. I hope you guys are getting everything that you need. And I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm a little tired today, so we're going to call it a night. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Love ya.